Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about one of the fastest web development frameworks. Guess what? It's react.js. Watch this video to learn how its performance compares to other Angular and Vue. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. Well, at Jelvix, we prefer to conduct as much research and evaluation as possible before choosing a technology. Performance speed is the crucial choice factor. Keep watching to find out why we think React is fast. Why is React performance better than other frameworks? Generally, there are several reasons for that, and let's review each one of them. The first reason is virtual DOM. It is a virtual representation of the document object model. React synchronizes it with the actual DOM. The main purpose of the virtual DOM is to optimize the update process. So why does it make React fast? The reason is the amount of changed information. Rather than wasting time on updating the entire page, you can divide it into small elements and interactions. Virtual DOM is definitely the most important factor that contributes to React performance. The second reason is a comfortable way of reusing components. React has self-contained components that can be easily integrated and reused to save development time. For projects like enterprise platforms, it becomes vitally important. The end performance, obviously, becomes better as well. The third reason is fast UI frameworks and libraries. Businesses use React to build a simple and interactive user experience. Why so? Because a minimalist UI definitely increases the speed of React-based sites. Let's review React performance compared to other frameworks. We have defined Angular and Vue as the two other leaders on the market. Keep watching to compare react.js performance to them. Let's start with React versus Angular.js. The first point to consider is their size. Codebase size influences the final performance of the codebase. React, compared to Angular, is a small library. You have a lot more freedom and not that many required components. Angular, on the other hand, has a stricter structure and a lot of associated components. If you know how to organize the application in the most efficient way, React will likely be a faster option. For less experienced developers, Angular might save some more time in the long run. Still, we'd say React performance is overall faster. As for performance, the speed of basic operations doesn't differ much in Angular and React. Angular is slightly faster in memory allocation. However, this difference will be noticeable in big projects. For small products, Angular just might be too big. Talking about vue.js versus react.js performance. React's code is smaller and therefore lighter. However, vue.js might be easier to navigate and edit. Therefore, the final speed depends on the quality of the codebase. With Vue, you get a slightly bigger bundle of the core code because there are more default features. However, this difference is barely noticeable in real-world production. By the way, the article Vue versus React describes performance, speed, and use cases of Vue and React. Find the link in the description. The bottom line here is, both Vue and Angular are fast frameworks. Although they are bigger than React, this increased functionality has advantages, like more possibilities and clearer structure. When you choose between Vue and Angular and React, we advise comparing philosophy, core concepts, functionality, and ecosystem. So, what would be your choice? Drop a comment. Let's now review how to optimize React apps. Keep watching to learn Jelvix team's simple best practices to deliver incredible results. The first is evaluating flawed components. We advise using Google DevTools and React DevTools to see the highlights and create diagrams with the components that don't perform well. The second approach is virtualization. What for? By rendering items gradually, you distribute the CPU resources and increase the performance. The next is solving the over-rendering issue. It appears when React renders more components than it has to. Pure components and hooks are the strategies to deal with this problem. The last practice is using a state manager. It will let you control the CPU consumption and avoid over-rendering unnecessary features. The solution is to use libraries such as Redux or MobX to connect props to the specific components. And finally, we'd like to share our selection of instruments that optimize React performance. Well, we use Chrome Dev Tools and React Development Tools. Let's review them. React Development Tools provide information on whether you're using the right builds and components during execution. They will also alert you when you hit performance threshold and even provide insights on how to fix it. Chrome Dev Tools allows you to see the performance of the website in the browser. They give you reports from the perspective of a user. So, the key to maintaining the high performance and speed of react.js is constant monitoring. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We provide software development, UI/UX design, and testing services to top brands worldwide. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share our experience of using different web development frameworks. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to like this video and press the bell button. Bye for now.